Good morning, friends. General Science, Class 8, Chapter 3, Force and Pressure, Part 12, Density. In this part, we learn about the density. Before looking toward the density, we first learn the meaning of mass and volume. In nature, various kinds of objects are found. These objects are found in solid, liquid, and in gaseous states. Some objects are placed in front of you. Look at them and see. Each and every object occupies some space. The objects which are larger in size, they occupy more space, and the objects which are smaller in size, they occupy less space. So what is the volume? The space occupied by the object are called as volume. The space occupied by the object are called as volume of object. Volume of object is expressed in various units like liter, cubic meter, cubic centimeter, gallon, etc. We can calculate the volume of object by the product of length, breadth and height. The SI unit of volume is meter cube or cubic meter, and the physics unit of volume is centimeter cube. It is also called as cubic centimeter. Volume is a scalar quantity because volume is expressed only with the help of its magnitude. Direction is not required to express the volume. Now, some objects are placed in front of you. A brick is placed. Cotton balls are placed. Observe them. Bricks or stone are found to be heavy, and cotton balls are found to be less heavy. Why? Because the particles in a brick or stones are closer than in cotton ball, and hence the number of molecules in a bricks or stone are more than cotton balls. This measure of number of molecules is called as mass of object. The material stored in the object is called as mass of object. The store of material is called as mass of object. Mass is expressed in various units like kilogram, gram, tons and metric tons. But the SI unit or MKS unit of mass is kilogram, and the physics unit of mass is gram. Mass is a scalar quantity because mass is expressed only with the help of its magnitude. Direction is not required to express the mass. Hence, mass is a scalar physical quantity.